Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can fix a low resolution image. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop to do this. So let's say if you take a picture using a DSLR camera with the RAW mode on, and then an image that you take consists of two files. The RAW image file, and then there will be the JPEG file, just like this, for example. So let's say if you take a picture and then the image resolution is high, but the object that you take the picture of is small, and then it requires some retouching so that the quality is nice. So double click on the raw image file, and then it will be automatically opened in Photoshop. For example, this one. So if we zoom in, we're gonna focus on the apartment buildings, where the quality is kinda rather noisy. So let's remove the noise first. Well, to do this, go to detail, and then you simply do a manual noise reduction. Increase the luminance so that the noise is gone. You can also sharpen the image by dragging the slider for sharpening, just like this. Now it's pretty much clear now. Reduce the luminance a bit, retaining that slight noise, just like so. And then we're going to go to basic, do some tweaks with the contrast level and the exposure. Reduce the highlight just a bit, the shadows as well. You can even increase the dehaze amount so that it's not so hazy, just like this. Ooh, all good now. But maybe let's highlight the apartment buildings by clicking on this one, and then you click on the brush tool. Alright, now let's highlight the apartment block. Decrease the size so it looks like this pretty much. Highlight every apartment blocks that you see in this image so that it's brightened. The look for the apartment buildings is rather dull. So increase the exposure, increase the contrast levels, decrease the highlights, decrease the shadow amount. Do some tweaks with anything. Decrease the saturation so that it doesn't look so blue. Maybe increase the highlights again and the exposure level, just like so. And then highlight these apartment buildings as well if you want, just like this. Fancy. Alright now. These apartment blocks are looking so lustrous now. Alright. When you're done, go back to edit. Then once you're done doing that, you can do a slight color grading. Maybe the shadow color will be this. Overall color will be this. The shadows and then the highlights as well. You can either increase or decrease the blending, just like this. Alright, we need a little bit of sharpening and increase of luminance. Guess so. Alright now. You've improved the quality of the, this image that contains these apartment buildings. Alright now, here's the before. Looking dull, noisy, not too sharp. The apartment buildings are not so highlighted, and this is the after. the apartment buildings are highlighted, and the edges that surround the, objects in the picture, which are the apartment buildings, are highlighted. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.